So, so good morning, dear students. As we have completed exercise 3.6, now it's the time to head to the next topic, the new formula, the new identities. All right. So just see. So here are some formulas. So first we are going to see the trigonometric function of 2x in terms of x. So you need to remember this formula, and the reason why you need to remember, because these are very important formulas which we will be using in 11th as well as 12th class. Okay, so first formula says sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. Okay, and cos 2x is equal to, there are three formulas of cos 2x, actually four are there. So 3 here you have, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 sine square x, and cos square x minus sine square x. So this all three are the formula of cos 2x. Tan 2x is 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Also you can express sine 2x in terms of tan x also, that is sine 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x, and cos 2x as 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Now the thing is how these formulas are made. So see, they are very simple to prove. So this thing you should do, because if you prove it, so you will be more confident in learning those formulas. If you prove it by yourself, then that will help you to remember, instead of mugging up all the things on a day. Okay, so that won't help. So sine 2x, how can you write sine 2x? Can we write this as x plus x? So we are expressing this 2x as x plus x. Now you can use sine x plus y identity, which says sine x cos x plus cos x sine x. Why I am repeating x? Because in place of x you have x, and in place of x you have y. That is why sine x then cos x plus cos x sine x. So actually they both are same, so will get 2 sine x cos x. So this is how we got. Now it's your duty to prove for these things also. So if you face any problem, you can take the help from the book. The proofs are given to you. Okay, so just prove all this and learn it. Okay, as you have the trigonometric function of 2x in terms of x, so we have 3x also. So you need to remember the formula for 3x also, that is sine 3x formula is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus 3 tan square x. Now let me give you the proof for one of among the three, and rest two you have to do. Okay, in the book the proof is given. So let us take off sine 3x. We need to prove sine 3x is 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Taking LHS, can we write the sine 3x as 2x plus x? Alright, we can. Now apply sine x plus y identity, which says sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So sine x cos y, x is over 2x and y is over x. So sine x cos sine 2x cos y, cos 2x sine x. Alright, now we got sine 2x cos x plus cos 2x sine x. Now we have the identity of sine 2x and cos 2x also. Okay, so put the identities. Sine 2x is what I told you, 2 sine x cos x. So we have put the formula here. And cos 2x, what is the formula of cos 2x? Now as in we have 3 to 4 formulas. Now it's like somewhat the question raises that which formula is to be used here. So what proof we want our proof in terms of sine. All the things are in sine, so we will be going to use cos 2x formula. That means that formula where we have the sine. So if you just go back and see the cos 2x formula, we'll use the formula that is 1 minus 2 sine square x formula, because in that we have sine square x. That is why we are using that identity. Alright, now multiply this cos inside, so 2 sine x cos square x plus, now multiply the sine x, so sine x minus 2 sine cube x. We got. Now we need to remove this cos square x too, because we want sine, all the things sine. All right. So sorry. So we want this cos square x to be removed. So by the identity we know what is cos square x, 1 minus sine square x. All right. So just write it. 1 minus sine square x plus sine x. Here minus is there. Now multiply 2 sine square inside. So this will be 2 sine square x minus 2 sine cube x plus sine x minus 2 sine cube x. Now as we see that 2 sine x plus sine x will give you 3 sine x. Alright, and minus 2 sine cube x minus 2 sine cube x will give you minus of 4 sine cube x. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now let us come to the next thing. Trigonometric function of sub multiple of number. Now what is this? Actually this is in like in general we call it as the half angle formula. And what is that half angle? See, as we know that sine 2x is what? 2 sine x cos x. Now if I divide this angle of sine by 2, then I need to divide the angle here also. Okay, so what I have done here, I have divided the angle by 2. So here also we need to divide both the angles. Now what happens? This 2 to 2 will cancel. So we got sine x, and here 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. So what you have to remember from here, that sine x can also be written as 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. Similarly you do for all the things which we have done previously, that is for cos 2x. What all formulas are there for cos 2x? One is what? 2 cos square x minus 1. Another is what? 1 minus 2 sine square x. What was another one? Cos square x minus sine square x. And one more in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. These 4 are the formulas of cos 2x. Now if I divide this by 2, that means divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2 and divide by 2. So here we will get cos x. So cos x can be written as 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2, cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2, and 1 minus tan square x by 2, 1 plus tan square x by 2. Okay. Now similarly if you go for the tan, that is tan 2x formula says 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so if you divide by 2, that means here also we need to divide, here also, and we'll get tan x. So tan x can be written as 2 tan x by 2 upon, this is called the half angle formula. Okay, you are making the angle half, so you need to make all the things half. Okay. Okay, now we are going to see the trigonometric functions of some special angles. Why we have given the name as special angles? Because this angles helps us in finding some of the other angles. So basically sine 18 degree is equal to under root 5 minus 1 upon 4, and cos 18 degree is equal to whole under root 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 4. Similarly you have sine 36 also. Sine 36 is under root 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4, and cos 36 degree is root 5 plus 1 upon 4. Actually these two are related and these two are related. Sine 18 degree cos 36 degree and sine 36 cos 18. Their values are same, but there is a difference of only the sign. Now I'll give you the proof for one. Now for the rest 3 you have to understand and do the things, because I want you to do more and more so that you understand it very well. Alright. So this is how the proof goes. I'm proving this sine 18 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Let us consider x is equal to 18 degree. Multiply 5 both sides. So after multiplying 5 both the side, 18 into 5 is equal to 90 degree. we are making this 18 degree as 90 degree, so that it would be easy for us to solve with respect to this 90 degree. So 5x is equal to 90 degree. Now this 5x we can break it as 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree. Okay, now what you do, just take sine function both the side. So taking sine function both sides, so sine 2x plus 3x is equal to sine 90 degree. Okay, now what is sine 90 degree? We know that it is 1. Here what we can do, we can use sine x plus y identity, that is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y equal to 1. Okay, now or else this will go somewhat complicated. What one thing we would have done, see, what one thing we would have done here, that will go very complicated. Why? Because if you put sine 2x value, then cos 3x, then the things will be getting multiplying, and it will go up to 5th power. So what we can do from here, just take 3x that side. So 2x is equal to 90 minus 3x. Now it would be very easy. Now take sine function both the side. So sine 2x is equal to sine 90 minus 3x. What is sine 2x? 2 sine x cos x. Alright. Sine 90 minus theta. What is that? Cos theta. That is cos 3x. Okay. Now, after that, use the identity of cos 3x, that is, okay, 2 sin x cos x is equal to, cos 3x is what? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, now what we can do, take cos x common from here, 4 cos square x minus 3. 1 cos with 1 cos we have cancelled. So 2 sin x is equal to 4 cos square x minus 3. Now let us try to mold this equation in quadratic form and in terms of sin x. Cos square x can be replaced with 1 minus sin square x identity. So 2 sin x is equal to 4 bracket 1 minus sin square x minus 3. 2 sin x is equal to, now multiply 4 inside, so 4 minus 4 sin square x minus 3. 4 minus 3 will give you 1. Okay, take 4 sin square x here. So your final quadratic equation in terms of sine will be 4 sin square x, then plus of 2 sin x, and 4 minus 3 1, and when it will come here, so minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, let me rub this thing. So we got the quadratic equation as 4 sin square x plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Now using the formula method we have, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What we have, a 4, b we have as 2, and c we have minus 1. So in place of x I will write sin x, because we are using the formula method for sin x. Okay, so sin x is equal to minus of b plus minus under root 2 square is 4 minus 4 into 4 16 into 1, so it will be plus 16 upon 2 into 4. Okay, I've used the formula method here. So sin x is equal to minus 2 plus minus, this is under root 20 upon 8. Okay, now under root 20 can be written as, how can we write under root 20? 2 root 5 upon 8. Now you can take 2 common out, so minus 1 plus minus under root 5 upon 8 sin x is equal to. Okay, now you have two answers. One is what? Sin x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 upon 8, or minus 1 minus root 5 upon 8. Okay, so now how to decide that which answer is correct? So how we are doing, just have a look. See, this can be written as sin x under root 5 minus 1 upon, sorry, this will be, this will be 4. Okay, this will be 4. So this I have written like this, and this is minus of, I've taken minus common. Now put the value of x here, as we have considered x as 18 degree, so put the value of x as 18 degree. So sine 18 degree is this one and this one. Now what is where the 18 degree will lie in the quadrant? It will lie on the first quadrant, because this is 18 degree less than 90 degree, and I told you in the first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. Alright, so we have to accept this answer and we have to neglect this answer. So this is inadmissible. Alright, so finally our answer is sin x is equal sin x 18 degrees under root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Okay. Okay, now from here, how can you find cos 18 degree? If you have sin 18 degree, you can easily find cos 18 degree. How? Because sin square 18 degree can be expressed as 1 minus cos square 18 degree. Okay, as sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, so sin square 18 can be expressed as 1 minus cos square 18. So sin 18 is equal to under root of 1 minus, I've taken the, that means reverse case. We need cos square 18 value, we have sin square. So cos 18 can be written as under root 1 minus sin square 18. Okay, now I guess you will understand. So under root 1 minus, what is the value of sin 18? Under root 5 minus 1 upon 4 the whole square. Now you know how to solve this one. Take the LCM, okay, and solve the thing. This is a simple algebra. You will get the value of cos 18 degree. Now, can you find the value of sin 36 degree? Yeah, we can easily find this thing. Okay, how? This is nothing but 2 sin 18 degree cos 18 degree, because we have the identity of sin 2x. What is that? 2 sin x cos x. Okay, so if you have 2x is equal to 36, then what will be your x? 18, right? So as using sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, so we can express sin 36 as 2 sin 18 cos 18. Now you have sin 18 value and you have cos 18 value, you will get the sin 36. And similarly, if you want to find cos 36, then sin 36 cos 36 can be expressed as under root 1 minus sin square 36. That is how we will find all the 4 trigonometric angles. Okay. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood what I have taught you today. So I will be sharing some of the easy questions with you which you need to solve, where you will be given the sine value for and then you have to find the cos x value and find sine 2x. Okay, like that I'll share the questions. Okay, those are very easy. You will do it if you understand the formula. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.